What's going on? What's going on? It's your boy Jay with Shooter Touch Films, and I'm don't have my seatbelt on. I don't have it on. Let's try that again. Yo, what's going on? It's your boy Jay with Shooter Touch Films, and I'm back with another one. What's good? Man, today is another shoot day with my girl Sarah from Tailored to You. We're gonna knock out a testimonial. We're gonna knock out some B-roll. We starting our monthly content package, so we're gonna knock out a style. I'm gonna talk through it. I'm just gonna add some color to it. Make sure you like and subscribe, comment, you know, all that good stuff. But man, love what you do what you love. That's the message for the day. I love what I do, and I'm doing what I love. Between drones and filming, man, I can't complain, man. I want to add something else to my resume, but you know, having two things that you can be great at, that you can focus on, that's what you got to do. But man, any business owners, if you don't know, you need to get online. From making content to taking pictures of what you do, you need to be doing it. You need to add something online to your social sites. So instead of you scrolling all day on social media, being a consumer, you need to produce. You need to produce stuff for you. You need to produce stuff for your customers that you already have. You need to be producing content for future customers. Because guess what? They're out there for you. And if they see a wave of people coming your way, the people that's just been looking, noticing, they're going to start to come to you. Prime example, I saw my guy who I grew up with. He has a food truck. Food looks good. Food looks amazing. Now, I saw my boy post every day, pictures, all that. Food looks amazing. And some interaction, I ain't gonna say no interaction, some interaction. But recently, you know, I believe he, you know, got a contract or some way, somehow worked his way with doing catering for Marlon Wayans. Posted a picture of it on Facebook, tons of likes. Now, the next day or this week, after the fact of the photo that he posted, now more people are coming to buy his food. You gotta get out there, man. You gotta get out there. You gotta get out there for one, and you gotta post more. They're gonna come. Just produce. I'm telling you. All my business owners, man, let me introduce you to a video business card. Who, what, how, where, and a call to action. It'll be very beneficial to you and your business. Some people may know of you. Some people may know that you have a business. Maybe a video business card going to explain all that. 2 minutes, no more than 2 minutes and 30 seconds. An intuitive, informative video that's going to put people in the mindset of where you are, and for you to display what exactly you do. The interaction you have with your clients, your customers, and testimonials from your customers, your client. All that go a long ways, man, I'm telling you. And then if you do it right, if you have quality production, it's all gonna come flowing in. You just gotta trust the process. So this sounds like it's something that interests you. Please, I'm looking forward to speaking with you. You can visit my website, Shooters Touch Films, or you can shoot me a DM, and I would love to talk to you more about it. We can create a custom content package. If you have old photos on your website or old photos on your social media, or you need new product photos, I do that as well. Let's communicate, man. Let's help each other out. I just want to help you and see you grow. I'm Jay with Shooter Touch Films. Make sure y'all give me a follow. Make sure y'all hit that like button. Make sure y'all subscribe. And man, I hope y'all enjoy this behind the scenes, man. I really hope y'all do. Let's go.
20 years off my age.
I can do a little something. What made you book your first appointment with Sarah?
So I was leaving a Starbucks and I saw a young girl sitting there who had beautiful hair.